guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video inside of text video transition on CapCut PC. So you're going to add your video, this black stock video. I'm just going to freeze frame that real quick, and then on top of that you're going to add in your text. I'm just going to drag the text here, and I'm just going to type in the word space, and I'm also going to change the font as well. I'm just going to make it as big as I possibly can. And you're just going to right click, create compound clip, go to video, go to blend mode, and select the darken one. And you're just going to add in a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end you're just going to want to scale it so that we can like see the whole video. So this is not enough, so try 1000. Again, still not where I want it to be. 2003. Okay, so 3000 is where I want it to be. Did I even add the keyframe? Okay, I did. And maybe you can right click, show keyframe animation, and select the keyframe, and maybe add in like ease in 2 so that it's a little bit smoother, I suppose. Yeah, I think I'm just going to select the ease in 2 one. And yeah, that is it. I know the edges look a little bit pixelated, but that's because we did like make it a compound clip. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!